All right, in this installment, we have an E730 with a bad laser and a E520 with a bad board. NV error on the board. I'd rather save the 730 than put a different board in the 520, or perhaps try to do the reset stuff. Part of that is I don't fully understand it or have all the values, and it's just not really worth fighting with. Anyway, I'd rather fix the E730. It's a cooler unit anyway. Woo! I forgot that the 730, like, I don't need to undo that fourth screw. Whatever. I don't know that the laser is any good in this. I'm just hoping. Since the board's bad, maybe the laser was fine when it died. We'll find it out together. Sound like fun? There's something in here. Yeah, disc. It's heavy. You can feel it. It's a newer one. It's got the laser cable glued down. You excited? We're going to fix the 730. They're cool players, in my opinion. One of the best. Digital amplifier, EQ. It's got all the features, and it's very small and thin. Spit it out. Alright, let's see if we can test this. I don't know if that piece on the lid... Dang it. The piece on the lid is what hits the switch. So we're going to have to put the lid on. Yeah. Just hope the dent in it too. Let's see. That's a little better. Okay. Why are you putting it back together if you don't know that it works? Well, I'm hopeful. Okay, it's still alive anyway. All right, listen with your ears. Yeah, it works. A little noisy though. Oh, that's a good laser. Spun down right away. It's good stuff. Woo! Sounds ugly. Should fix that. First, are we sure? Something's not just misaligned? Looks like someone carted this thing around in their back pocket and sat on it. It does not want to go on that post. All right, finally. How can I get that? Yeah, it's just that noisy. Thinking maybe there was an alignment issue or something was sticking out a little. It's not it. Now these kind of have that sound anyway. But this one just has extra. I just dabbed some silicone oil into the little bushing there and up in here where the lithium grease tends to harden. And that'll probably do it. If it doesn't, that's gonna just be noisy. It's not worth, to me, risking taking it all apart, possibly messing something up. Generally, I know I have other videos and you'd say, well, it's not true, you take other ones apart. Like, for the most part, I'm going to take as little apart apart as possible. I'd rather it be noisy and working than take it apart and break it and then it be noisy and not working. A little noisy is okay. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. It'll just be a little noisy. Some of them are. They're little mechanical devices. They're going to make noise. And they're old. Little noise. It's okay. These aren't showpieces. The lid was bent a little. Well, like I said, it looked like someone sat on it. So you just bend it a little. Put it back to mostly straight. Alright, it should be a fair bit quieter. Hopefully. It's not bad. Okay. Let's... I don't think this needs... Ooh, it does need a little corrosion clean. How about inside? Inside's good. My pen. Looks like it's mostly done. A little cleanup with some alcohol. Check it, and it's probably ready to go to eBay. Very good. Saved a 730 for someone. It's not great. Got some it's a little dented. This is not straight here, but got a little curve in here, up here, but plays. All right, thanks.